Hey, I need to tell you something and it's super important. Have you ever thought about passive income? I recently took a course about how to actually set everything up, like step-by-step details, and I really want to share it with you. Today I'm going to be reviewing the online course Funnelpire. It teaches you how to set up automatic funnels and start your own business, start and grow. So I took this course recently and I'm just so happy about it, so I really want to share it with you. Hey everyone, I'm Tabitha Rabbits. I'm all about making money online passively. Like, I'm super passionate about that. And I've actually been starting my own businesses since I was little. Like, I had many businesses and some of them actually did not work out. But that's why I'm super excited to review a course today. It's called Funnelpire. And they have so many courses and it teaches you about passive income. There is a free course. It's called the 7-Step Business Challenge. And well, it's free. And it actually goes into so many step-by-step details. I think the value of the course is really good. And it's free to start. There are some higher versions of it, like the standard, VIP. So you can actually start for free. So you don't have to worry about anything. This is just amazing. If you really want to start making money passively, I suggest starting here. There are a lot of different courses. Like, you can learn how to start up your own boutique. I actually recently launched my Shopify store. So this training has really helped me to get it off the ground. And yeah, like, who doesn't want to make money while sleeping? Like, honestly, you can set up a business, an actual business. Create a funnel by following the steps from this online course, and then voila, just like that, you're earning money passively. And isn't that exciting? Like, aren't you just excited about that? So what I really liked about the course is just how relatable Denise is, the course creator, and she tells you exactly what you need to do to create a successful business. You just actually have to take action. I started recently. I went through the course and I'm just so happy about it that I just have to share it with you. Okay, so the 7-Step Business Challenge that teaches you how to start up your business and grow it and actually automate it so that you don't really have to think about it. You can just get sales while you're like sleeping or eating lunch or, I don't know, walking on the beach. You can just generate income just like that. It talks about the most profitable niches to start right now online. And actually teaches you how to pick a profitable niche. Like, you can talk about something like in finance or like health and wealth, that kind of thing. And actually that you need to work with digital products. So it teaches you how to actually find really good digital products to sell or to promote. And it teaches you how to actually automate everything. So for me and my Shopify store, Shop Tabitha, I really just started with the automations. I sent out the emails, I did the emails in advance, that kind of thing. And yeah, now I really just need to, well, keep going at it. You never need to stop, really. But the point is that you can actually take a break, you can sleep and wake up, and then there's money in your account from all of these automations that you just didn't really think about. Because you're thinking about it in advance and you're being smart. If you actually want to start an online business so you can make money from home while you sleep, while you go jogging in the morning, while you're eating breakfast with your family, whatever, you can definitely check this course out. I will leave a link for it in the description below. And it's absolutely free to start. I know a lot of people right now are kind of concerned or worried about money. And the thing about it is that you actually can start a business from home on the internet. If you're watching this video and you're worried about money, then absolutely consider starting something online, because when it comes to financial freedom, it is totally possible to start something online. Like with today's marketing and stuff like that, Denise teaches you about how to market everything from Facebook marketing with the little ads that you see popping up everywhere on Facebook, and even on YouTube, you see ads popping up. You can actually be one of those people advertising your product or business. She teaches you everything in how to do all that. So I'm really happy that I took this course. And I can't wait to just continue growing my business, honestly. Like, I am an entrepreneur at heart, like, really. If I'm not an entrepreneur, I don't know what the hell I would actually do. Like, I actually really, really like working for myself. Having my own business, that is just in my DNA, I swear. My mom, when she was alive, she was kind of the same way. Always have this new business idea. She actually was really into, like, health and wellness. She used to actually grow wheatgrass. Have you heard of that? She used to grow wheatgrass and then she would juice it, and she had her own little health shop. Yeah, so yeah, when I say it runs in my DNA, it literally means it's in my DNA. Yeah, so that is why I'm just really happy to actually have like guidance to actually create a successful business. And that is why I'm sharing this with you, because I know a lot of people out there are probably worried and concerned and need to start something, and I'm crying. Like, I need to stop, really. I just spoke about my mom. Okay, that's the end of the video. I need to go, but definitely check the course out. I will leave a link below for you, because I think it's super helpful and it's free to start, so why not, you know?